Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to check traffic came from different referral in WordPress using plugin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to check traffic came from different referral like Google. So referral send traffic to your website. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP statistic. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. So I already installed this plugin and activate it. And on left side you see statistics. So click on it. So we are in overview and then scroll down, you see multiple options. Again scroll down and then you see top referring domain address google.com. This is our website. Now you see facebook.com, mobile facebook.com. You see multiple referrals and then you see last 30 days. So you can set week, today, month. You can set different ranges for date and then you can get data. Now click on view top referring. So click on it and scroll down. Now you see domain address, number of referrals, google.com 198. So this is our last 30-day result. So this is our website 20. Now you see facebook.com 56, number of referrals. Now you see Yandex. You see multiple domain addresses. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.